Do you crack your neck to relieve tension or pain? Here is what you need to know. The pleasurable pop sound you hear when you crack your neck is nothing but the movement of the fluid and gas within the joints of the spine. Those are simple pops. They don't realign your spine. They don't relieve muscle tension. They don't relieve disc pressure. They are temporary stress busters. Occasional gentle cracks is okay, but regular habitual cracks or a forceful crack is not advisable. They do cause extra strain to the muscles, joints, and to the disc. They can pinch the nerve. They can very, very rarely injure the blood vessels that going from the neck to the brain. If you are suffering from neck pain, or if you feel the muscles in the neck are too tensed, need some stretches, find a proper therapist and under the guidance have the stretches sorted out. If pain still continues and troubles your day-to-day activity, see a specialist to find out the cause and have a permanent solution for it.